Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Al Stock Trades. This is a very serious message. I am so upset at everything of the stock market. Literally, this is the last day for compliance, and then we can't even make it $1. This company has let me down. This is trash. It is over. I quit. I give up. I agree with no distribution. Please, no one post about how this is so great and you're going to accumulate now. We're under $1. This is complete bullshit, and a company let us down. You know what I'm going to do? What does it say here? You can disable profanity filters. Oh, I don't care. We are going to filter because I don't like cursing, okay? It's over. It's done, guys. Pack it up. Go home. I'm gone. It's over. It's over. I'm going to go. I'm going to leave, sell everything, and then I'm going to think about it, and then I may come back in. Hashtag Steve West. Ladies and gentlemen, obviously this is complete bullshit, okay? This is complete bullshit. All right? Maybe I got some of you guys. This is complete bullshit. I'm bullshitting you guys, okay? So let me explain to you kind of what's going on, all right? So I'm just messing with you guys. I'm enraged. Why do people care to share these thoughts? So obviously I'm bullshitting you guys, but I do have to come out saying some things, okay? Now if you hear some things in the background, it's the SEC coming after me. No, I'm just kidding. It's I have maintenance coming and fixing some things right now. So you know, I normally I don't waste my time on this, but I think this is going to be beneficial. So I'm going to play this video for you guys, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts. The title of the video is, and by the way, I have a huge crush on her. Warren Buffett does too. So yeah, she's great. So, but she's working for a system that I don't agree with. So the title of this video is Roaring Kitty is setting up a perfect defense for market manipulation, former SEC senior counsel. I'm gonna have to come clean to you guys, okay? This is I'm gonna have to come clean to you guys, okay? So this is gonna be a very hard battle. You understand what I'm saying? This is, when I say they, I mean Wall Street. I mean the market makers. I mean, I'm talking about the big dogs, okay? And I don't like to go into conspiracy, but this is beyond conspiracy. Okay? This is going to be a very difficult journey for people. I would say people that are in their 50s and 60s, this is going to be a tough one, okay? It's going to be a tough one. The reason being is that, do you really think they're going to make it easy for a majority-owned retail company to make them millionaires that easy? It's not that easy, okay? They're going to destroy. They're going to try. Like, again, to me, I'm just like, whatever. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I looked at my phone one time today. That's it, right? But again, I have over a decade of experience in this bullshit, okay? So this is like, I'm not even batting an eye. Because remember, I'm in for the long run. 5, 10, 15 years. I'm in for the long term, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that they are going to do whatever they can in the books to somehow just mentally F the word F, I'm talking about, mentally fudge the crap out of retail investors. Okay? They're going to try to just get in your head and just do a lobotomy, okay? This is not conspiracy theory. This is true, okay? If you look at Chamath Palihapitiya's last All-In podcast, they were talking about synthetic shares. They were talking about how there are certain people that they can create a synthetic share package where it creates fake shares to amplify the ability for individuals to start shorting. These are not things that you can just learn through education. I don't have access to synthetic shares. because you have to have a certain amount of money and you have to have a certain amount of privilege, disgusting devil, purest potion of greed from Wall Street to get access to these types of things. You have to have a lot of things to get access to this. But I will tell you one thing that can counteract all of these stupid shenanigans that these Wall Street people are saying. At the end of the day, the stock price is a culmination of its earnings, of essentially the future earnings of all free cash flow. That's all it's all about. The future earnings and the estimated earnings of the future free cash flow. Okay? We already know that this company's headed in the right direction. We already know they're going to grow their MA business at a high revenue, low margin, but profitable. And then they're going to have another side of the business that's going to be obviously opposite of that, maybe lower revenue, but high margin business. Hopefully growing at the speed of ACO. I'm going to explain to you something here in this video, and I hope this video will shed some light on how disgusting this game is, the game of Wall Street. Okay? Let me just share with you guys. Okay. All right, hopefully you guys hear this. I'm going to mute myself so there's no echo.
For more right now on what regulators may be looking at when it comes to trades and GameStops, we want to bring in Firdos Altai, who served as senior counsel in the enforcement division of the SEC. And Firdos, thank you for being with us today. There were a lot of questions about what he might say on Friday and whether or not that would land him in hot water.
Very quickly, I'm getting a lot of questions. Today's close was BS. Why did we go down today? Ladies and gentlemen, today was artificially brought down. Go look at Jim Cramer's bullshit interview back in 2005 about market manipulation. They have the power with just a few $1 million to bring down the S&P 500. $1 trillion ETF, $1 trillion S&P 500. They're able to bring it down. You don't think they can bring down Clover Health, a small excuse my language, a small company? I'm telling you, this is all part of the game. Again, short term doesn't make sense because short term you can manipulate things. You can manipulate the stock price in the short term. Just it's all on the internet. You can see it. Okay. It felt artificial. It was artificial. What, for 14% drop the day of compliance? Guys, this is all a joke. In fact, me exposing this, they might come after me. You understand what I'm saying? So let me just explain to you this. So I had to stop the video to answer this question. Why did it go down today like this? Let me just show you the video here. Okay, hold on.
From what I saw, didn't seem to be anything that would necessarily be a big red flag for regulators. But what did you think?
Agree. I mean, he's a smart guy. He holds many FINRA regulations. He knows exactly what he's doing. I saw the whole thing as a stream of consciousness. He's not telling people what to do. He's only discussing his personal opinion. That doesn't give regulators a lot of wiggle room with what they want to do.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to label him a market manipulator. He answered questions saying it was just him. He didn't have other people who were in it with him. That would have been something they would have watched very closely. And he certainly seemed to lay out and show what he was holding. I mean, it showed that he would have lost quite a lot of ground just as the stock went down, too.
If anything, what he's doing right now is setting up a perfect defense for market manipulation. He's giving regulators everything that he would use in his defense if they brought up a market manipulation. I think ultimately
long story short, you heard what the lady said. This guy knows what he's doing. He has a lot of FINRA certifications, a lot of series. I forgot the names, but he has a couple of series that he successfully completed. The point that she's saying is it was a stream of consciousness. He knows what he's saying. He knows what he's doing. Ladies and gentlemen, at 2 minutes and 30 something seconds, she said 32 seconds. This is, let me share with you something here. Okay. So you can see this bullshit. Okay. Hold on.
Now, this is a game. Wall Street is a game. And now
this is a game. You understand what a game is? This is a game. Wall Street is a game. You understand what this means? I'm going to get this to your thick head. Look at Enphase. Look what happened to Enphase. Look at AMD. Look at NVIDIA in the past. Look at Amazon. Dropped 90%. Wall Street is a game. People, when they play games, they cheat. They get cheat codes. They cheat. But in the long term, you cannot, just like what Charles Munger says, it's like a waiting game. You know, those in the long term, long term, once this company starts making free cash flow, once it's profitable, what's going to happen? You think they can play this game? No, other hedge funds are going to say, I need to buy this. I'm getting an ROI. It's a profitable business. And then the game will cycle to the end. It'll cycle the other direction. Okay. So I'm just letting you know, again, a lot of people like discounted Keith's stream. It was very masterful. He closed a lot of things and answered a lot of questions like that people were having. And he threatened E-Trade, like, hey, I'll remove you. I'll go somewhere else. Okay. So again, this is a game. Okay. These bastards, these assholes of Wall Street, they're doing this on purpose. Dude, let them F with themselves. Let them play this game. Let them spend their money to drop the stock price. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. But thank you, Wall Street. Keep dropping the price. I'm going to take advantage. And guess what? Andrew Toy is going to use his $20 million share repurchase buyback to take advantage. Okay? Normally, I would not make a video on this, but I just find it funny how this thing is down 10 freaking % while the market's like pretty much in the green. Okay. This is very funny. This is hilarious. I'm laughing right now. All right. To all the Wall Street people that are watching this channel, and I know you do, don't you think I don't have access to see who watches this, who watches my LinkedIn? I have premium LinkedIn. I know who watches me, right? I think this is hilarious, guys. Especially, this is so funny. You know why? Because at the end of the day, you can drop the stock price as much as you can. You can drop it down to 1 penny. It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, this company is about to become profitable. All right, this company is about to do it, and you cannot stop. You cannot stop it. You cannot stop it. It's gonna happen. It's it. It's checkmate. It's done. So let them play their game. Let them do this thing. Listen, guys. Okay. I've seen this play out. I mean, look at this. Drop from $20, drop all the way down to 70 freaking pennies, and then finally become profitable. And then the rest is history. I've seen this play out. Look at AMD. I've seen this game. Look at right here, all the way up, then it dropped it back down. I've seen this game play in and play out. This is an easy game, ladies and gentlemen. I've seen this game. Okay. Let them play their game. All right. I'm not, again, take everything I say is for entertainment, right? But you think for yourself. Think for yourself. All right. Use your own brain. Okay. This is how they play the game. This is the game of Wall Street. I've been saying this from day one. Okay. You starting to see it now. This is so beautiful. At least be smart enough to drop it at least 3% for the past 5 days, not just the whole same day. I mean, come on, guys. You got too lazy. At least make it believable, right? Anywho, if people are sick of this, I'm sorry to, hear from you, Barry. But, if I was truly, truly sick of this, I would leave. The stock market's not for me. Like, I'm trying to go into neurosurgery. Neurosurgeons work over 100 hours a week. If I'm so sick of working that long, leave, right? It's not that, you're a bad person. It's not that you're weak. It's not, sometimes the market's not for everyone, okay? This is total market manipulation. You type it, go watch Chamath's thing, about synthetic shares, okay? This stuff exists. Okay? There's a lot of guys, we're talking money here, right? We're talking money. We're talking people die over money. People die over this stuff. This is sad. This is money. This is the greed. This is devil. This is like this is what starts wars. We're talking money here. You think it's going to be easy? Oh, calculate the intrinsic value, and then it just pops up. No, this is going to take time. This is going to take time. This is a waiting game, right? Just like what Warren Kitty said, this is an investment thesis. I still believe in my investment thesis. Okay. Again, this is not your thesis. This is my thesis. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. Don't listen to what I say. This is just for me expressing my opinion, right? If I were to see a bunch of poor people starving, I'm going to say something about it. This is complete and utter bullshit. This is people manipulating the market, right? So, but at the end of the day, it's okay because once they become free cash flow positive and once they become net income profitable positive, that's it. I've been saying this from day one. Free cash flow positive, net income positive. I've been a freaking rock, and all these waves have been coming in and out. I just focus on one thing, okay, and that's it. Just like what I haven't read all the comments, but I just saw this right now. We're very lucky to get these premium prices. So, guys, they're spending money to drop the price like this. They're spending about maybe a couple million. Let them spend your money. Drop it. I'll buy some. It doesn't. Don't think that you buy some, you remove the share. No, they're going to make synthetics. It's fine. Let them do that because at the end of the day, it is going to be a profitable business. That's what I think, right? And that's it, guys. That's it. Honestly, that's it. I'm enjoying myself. This is easy. So when I see comments like this, I have to make a response. I mean, come on, right? I have to make a response, right? I'm going to be the only person that likes this. Man, he got 0 like. Come on, guys. Be nice, right? I like it for you, my friend. It's okay. It's okay. Someone's going to hit a down bar now. And if I hit negative, it turns negative. Oh, no. We're going to do this one. Should I do a negative? I'm going to do this. Okay. All right. So, anywho, guys, it's just, this is all manipulation, okay? It's you finally have a multi-millionaire who's an individual investor, and they want to remove him from trading because he won the game. He won the game. You understand what that means? He won the game. The game is won. They know after this, once his investment thesis comes out, he's going to be investing in other companies, and they can't play the game anymore. This is a game, okay? People cheat when it comes to this game. They will have you broke. They will have you panhandling in the street, and they don't give a shit. That's Wall Street, okay? That's Wall Street. Okay, so anyhow, let me go ahead and read these comments. BS says BS, felt artificial. People are impatient. Thanks for all you do. Hey, man, I appreciate you, AMBR. And bruh. Andrew Choi, not Toy, Andrew Choi. Did I say Andrew Choi? Market makers have the control. Classic. Yes. Farad. You're ad. All right. I would have bought more CLOV, but increasing my dry powder. It sucks what they are doing. No, of course it sucks, but it's fine. Let them play. Let them play with their, let them play. Let them waste their time. It's fine. The investment thesis is going to play out. This company is going to become free cash flow positive. This company is going to have 2 sets of revenues. One that's high revenue, low margin, and the other one that's going to be, high margin, and we'll look at the revenue. Well, that's a question mark, right? And these are not my words. These are the words of Andrew Toy in his last Lee Rinks presentation. All right? So what happens, when people win, SEC gets mad all of a sudden. Trading apps become mad all of a sudden when somebody wins, right? Because you're not supposed to win. You're supposed to donate your money to the starving people that work on Wall Street. We already commented. No, we're not yet. Keith Gilstream, yes, I agree. Everyone getting into the game right now, do not double down when it spikes because the crazy volatility we're having, it will drop again multiple times. Exactly. Tell me the title of today's video is a cruel joke. No. Of course. I'm just reflecting the sentiment of this guy. I'm just reflecting the sentiment. Right. You think the drop of CLOV price stays linked to GME? I don't know. I mean, GME dropped a lot, and it's kind of funny how this works. You know what I mean? There's a drop there, and it's kind of significant, don't you think? Yeah. It's likely why Buffett doesn't invest in companies that aren't already profitable. He is aware of the game. He focuses on price to sales. No. Yeah, he's you mean PE, price to earnings, right? Because that has to be profitable. I agree with you, Jamal. I agree with you. But for me, again, this is just for me. We have the portfolio hedging modeling system. I like to look at profitable companies like Wingstop and stuff like that, right? No, it's sickening. Hey, Al, we're already close over one good. Oh, but it has to be business days. Business days, I think. It's business. They're afraid of you, Al. You do better analysis than most of them. Yeah, and I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for them to tackle me down. It's just because again, this is a game. They want people. I'm telling you guys, this is a game. Okay. They don't want you to know this. Okay. They don't want you to know this. They don't want you to know about intrinsic value. They don't want you to know about free cash flow. They don't want you to know any of this. They want you to be poor. They want you to work 9 to 5. That's what they want. Because if that's the case, when someone does become a multimillionaire, they want to shoot him down. They want to take away, they want to ban him from trading as an American. Do you see this? What a joke. What a joke. You feel me? He was T plus 35 minutes late. Think about the FTDs and bullet rat swaps and stacks. All this. What a shit show. I agree. I don't mind them dropping the share price. Just wish could somehow find out exactly in details. No, I mean, look at Chamath's prior podcast, with his, all in buddies, these people have the ISLA. They do the synthetic share packages and it's just a double version of a whammy of a short sell. Guys, this is all the dark pools that we see. Guys, this is all part of their bullshit game, and let them play it, because at the end of the day, they played it with Enphase, they played it with AMD. Once a company becomes free cash flow positive, we're going to be singing Tupac, All Eyes on Me. I think that's a song, right? So just bought 250 shares this say. Well, again, hey, not financial advice. Not financial advice. You hear that, SEC? You hear that? Wall Street? You know what? I'll call you names, right? I'm just a guy expressing my opinion here. I'm just a guy saying I really like this stock. I love this stock. I love it. Okay. All right. You can't beat the algos you can't beat the short term. No one can beat the algos. If Jesus Christ were to come right now, he can't beat the algos. All right. So if they force a reverse split, I'll just let him force it. Again, it's fundamentals. It's the freaking mentals. That's what matters. That's it. That's it. They'll let these yeah, exactly. No. I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm having fun. I'm good. I hope they didn't get to this guy. I feel this guy's stressing right now. He's blaming the company. The company I think someone said this. The company doesn't control the stock price. He's a goofball. I'll be nice to him. Goofball is a nice word, though. Goofball. Let me go. What's the definition of a goofball? A person who amuses others by ridiculous behavior. Okay. That's a great. I agree. Yeah, he's a goofball. Yeah, he's a goofball. All right. Market makers still haven't accepted it's over for. No, they won't. They won't, because guess what, guys? Someone out there is going to sell. Someone out there is going to, someone bought at 60, they're going to sell. You understand what I'm saying? Now, some of you who have been in the game a long time, you guys probably, you guys know a thing or two now, right? You're like, oh shit, SAS is activated. Oh snap. This is an opportunity. I don't know. Some of you guys may think that. I'm trying to think of the opinions here that people can generate, right? But like anything in life, there's going to be people like right now. Someone just died of a heart attack right now in the world. Someone that we don't know. Shit happens, right? Someone probably sold, right? So, and that's what they want, right? Markets can remain irrational longer than people can stay solvent. I think. I think Warren said this, or somebody said this. Oh no, John. Yeah. This guy. Yeah. This guy here. This guy right here. I agree. Especially if you're playing the short game. The short game doesn't work. That's why traders lose all the time. Right? Just tuning in. People mad because we're back. Oh yeah, it's over, man. It's over. Thank you, JH. Heart back to you too, brother. Heart back to you too. Yeah, guys, it's all good. It's all good. This is the at the end of the day, I'm happy. right? Because this is a great opportunity, man. Man. Wall Street, if you're watching, drop this down to 50 cents, please. Spend some money, spend a couple multi-million dollars. If you can, if you have the will, drop it down more, please. Drop it down more. I want it lower. Drop it down. Please, please bring it to me, baby. Drop it down more, right? Drop it like it's hot, right? Drop what your mama gave you, right? Drop it like it's hot. Drop the price down low. Be greedy when others are fearful. I mean, come on. It's the same thing we preach. Okay. All right. Al, I heard this analogy once. Big institution hedge funds are like two big battleships shooting at each other. No, absolutely. Retail is caught in the middle in the road. Yeah, absolutely. Yes. I agree. So, anywho, guys, sorry for the clickbait. Again, I try to not make it as clickbaitish because I put a screenshot of this individual's comment. So that hopefully didn't, you know what I mean? And also shout out to all the people that enrolled in our monthly stock terminal subscription. You know who you are. And then for all the people that have been purchasing our Mastering Stock Market, just lifetime access and bundle, please sign, like connect to the stock terminal. You're not connecting to the stock terminal, guys. So connect to it. You have access to lifetime access to data to take advantage of that. And for people that don't know what I'm talking about, there'll be a link in the description below. Use the coupon code SAS. You get $1,000 off. I mean, come on. It's a good deal, right? So take advantage of it. Literally one of the best, just the best data you can. We have over 2.5 billion outputs. If I can find it here, go to the homepage here. Look at all the data we have here. This is the detailed stock commands we have, and you can hit preview, and you can get kind of how it looks like, right? But look at this. Look, I'm gonna scroll. These are all the commands you have access to. Look at that. I'm gonna keep scrolling. AI, algo flow, all of it. Look at all that. I'm still scrolling. Dark pool, everything. You can. Holy crap! Look at this. I'm still scrolling. I haven't stopped. 2.5 billion outputs of institutionally graded data. These are the auto postings. We still got some more. Right? You go here, mastering. And don't forget, I had someone just buy it blank out. I had to refund him. I was like, come on, dude. Hit the SAS. Make sure you put this. You get $1,000 off. And you can use a firm to drop it as low as $70 a month. I think lower than that. I think with this. I don't know. Check it out. All right, guys. Yeah, no, it's a little clickbaity, but I try to be a little respectful. Because I don't like clickbait, but sometimes it's fun. You know what I mean? Like I'll mess around with you guys maybe like once a month or once every couple months. But I put this screenshot in here to show you kind of like it's not kind of clickbait. So I hope that was okay, right? It wasn't today important because we need to say yeah. It's over, man. That's it. We're gone, Ryan. It's over, Ryan. That's it. No, watch the video. You're gonna enjoy it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's always a privilege and honor to be, to have you guys here. We're all in this together. I think most of us knew it wasn't for real. No, of course, yeah, exactly. Most of it, but there's probably others that believed it, and it's sad. And I hope he wasn't one of them, but it seems like it, right? So it's okay, right? Don't be goofball, guys. Don't be a goof. I have to Google it because I have to make sure it's not insulting. But a goofball's fun. I'm a goofball, right? So it's okay. All right, guys. I love each and every one of you guys. I'm going to go ahead and hit more questions and go back to medicine to learn God's beautiful paintbrush so I can heal people. And that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you and have a great day.